How did we allow one man to do so much damage to our democracy? Years after Donald Trump was impeached, subversion of our election system has become so contagious that his haters are doing it in name. Over past few months, dozens of legal challenges have been filed to prevent former president from appearing on ballot in 2024 presidential election despite his lead in Republican nomination and general election. In December, the Colorado Supreme Court and Maine's Secretary of State declared that the Constitution disqualified Trump from voting. Other states may soon follow. On Wednesday, Trump asked the United States Supreme Court to end those efforts. The desire to legally bar Trump from the presidency rather than defeat him by vote would not have been so plausible to many if not for a scholarly paper by conservative constitutional law professors William Baude and Michael Stokes Paulsen in August that became an instant sensation. The article, titled "The Broom and Power Third Chapter," offers a conservative cover liberal fantasy, arguing that Constitution disqualifies Trump from becoming president again because of his participation in attempt to overturn 2020 presidential election. Section 3 14th Amendment, known as Disqualification Clause, intended prevent Confederate rebels from holding office, states that no person who has previously taken oath may hold any office as an officer of the United States. Thus, allegation remains that Trump, who swore uphold the Constitution, engaged in insurrection or insurrection provided aid and solace to others who engaged in that conduct by, among other things, pressuring state officials. Vice President Mike Pence overturn results. The two scholars, who called his supporters the Capitol to prevent Congress from certifying the election and incited violence there on January 6, 2021, wrote that Trump was deliberately trying to execute what he would have done if he had been successful. It is political coup against Constitution and its electoral system. His disqualification under the 14th Amendment, they argued, was constitutionally automatic, just as it would if person failed to meet Article 2's more mundane requirements that President natural-born citizen, at least 35 years of age, and natural-born citizen. They argued that must be elderly and have been a resident of the United States for at least 14 years. This is a solution that many people who fear Trump's re-election have unknowingly dreamed of. Within days, a duo of bipartisan prominent figures, conservative retired federal Judge J. Michael Luttig and liberal constitutional law professor Larry Tribe, supported the argument to disqualify Trump and announced that they had done so. "I've thought same thing for years. Only question was whether election officials and courts would comply with this express command in disqualification clause of 14th Amendment. Numerous lawsuits and administrative actions been filed regardi